Check, check, 1, 2. Hopefully this is recording. Right. Gonna try their cruise control stick, Go Cruse, on this ride. Hopefully the roads are still dead. Right, miles I've done, 534 miles. I'm hoping this records adequately. Get through Whitton High Street. Fucking idiot. Right, off on that turd in the BMW, just looking at me and it's still going. We're on Whitton High Street. Traffic times are all fun, even at 11 o'clock in the morning. Warming up for the rugby tomorrow. Right, I'm going to be looking at this Go Cruse. Fucking green light, go. What are you stopped for? Yeah, this Go Cruse thing here. Let's see what that's like. And lock it on the motorway down to a speed. Got my new mirrors. Fucking hell, there's some right weirdos around. Right, can you see my new mirrors? Loads more space in the middle of the bike. The only problem with during a weekday day is you get all the old timers coming out for a nice little ride. Be here all day, lucky there's no one up my arse. Ridiculous. Right, coming up to the A316 here. We're going to try this Go Cruse. And hopefully this video works. On my Ghost Pro XL 4K right here. Hopefully we get through these lights. Oh man, what's this? Block closures. Right, 5 minutes in, I haven't really done anything. Where's this car next to me going? It's a red light. Why are you edging forward, you pillock? Oh, I'm gonna think what it. Still doing it. Where are you going? No, it's a woman, of course. Impatient. The ironic thing is, as soon as it goes green, she probably won't move. Right, cocking the Audi inside me trying to undertake me, not happening mate. On my 125, of course I would have given way. Right, hit here at 50 mile an hour, so let's do lock the cruise control in, hands off, just cruising along, got my wrist supports on, 54, climbing even uphill, cruise control's working now, I can just relax. Hands off, still moving, 58, 57. I mean, you've obviously got to be aware of the vehicles in front of you maintaining a speed and not just get caught snapping. Still not quite at my first service, so I don't want to go too hard on the revs. First ride for a week as well. Get past this fan. So I hit pink Bagshot, then down to Sunningdale, Staines, and Sunbury and back home, big loop. Just wanted to do a little video. Again, hopefully this is recording and gets transferred okay. A bit windy today, it's the autumn. Might not be raining or too cold, but the wind's certainly kicking in. And this doofus in front just chugging along. Right, just about to hit the M3. Let's see what this can do. These wrist supports are a bit weird to get used to because they turn with the handle, so they're not always just sitting there ready for you to rest on. You have to adjust them on the fly, which can be a bit precarious if you're travelling at speed. Trying to adjust a bit of plastic on your... Alright, let's go. Right. Cruise control on, locked in. 70, no, got to keep that going. Want to get it a higher speed than this to lock it in. Right, it's doing 74, 5, it's climbing a bit. Just trying to maintain and see if we can stay at speed. There you go, 72, 71, wind resistance obviously affecting the speed, but the throttle is locked. Getting quite a bit of wind buffeting. The downside of a naked bike, right? Oh yeah, cruise control is just chugging. 73, 74. Undertake this. Get another chugger in the middle lane. This gives your hand a rest. It's a perfect little 20 quid little gadget to give your hand a rest. So worth it. I said before in my previous video, the only downside is that sometimes if you've got a lot of clutter on your hand while you've got big thick gloves on, you can feel like your hand's a bit squashed in. But I think that's because I've got bar end mirrors on here as well. Let's give it some. Right, lock this in. Cruise 70. Got a lock. Oh my car, a lock. Doing the job. I'm not going to take my hands off, but I guarantee my hand isn't even gripping the throttle. I'm doing 76, just chugging along. Let's get behind this van. Hopefully within the 13 or so minutes I've been filming, you can see that the throttle lock is reasonably good. It takes to get used to. After 5 minutes you're fine. Right, let's get out of this car. Pretty windy here. Not the most scenic route, motorway obviously. Okay. Oh, I hope there's no traffic up here. Stranded vehicle. Slow! 50! Oh man, you come down the motorway to put some speed on and then you've got to slow to 8 road speed. Doing 72 and my hand's not gripping the throttle, it's just resting, maintaining that speed. Oh, first ride in a whole, it's over a week it feels, takes a bit used to getting back used to it. Apparently there's a stranded vehicle. Well, this is where your good old friend motorbike comes into effect. miles an hour. Okay. Well, I will be going around these people rapidly. This is motorway filtering. Okay. First attempt. Bit gravelly there. Poor souls. You gotta annoy my car here. Poor souls. The traffic jam of London. Oh, well, it's not actually. We've just left the M25 area. Well, there's no point using cruise control here. Police up here. Don't want to do anything too dodgy. He says. Oh, this is not too long. The problem with smart, I suppose the lane's open at least anyway, go on mate. But smart motorways would block a lane off, don't they? One breaks down, don't have half shoulders anymore. Causes chaos. Right, come on, let's get around the car. And then you, motherfucker in a lorry, get the pissing hell back in that lane. That's it. Good boy. I'm still saying this one's shut off here. Why is this lane closed still? There's nothing in it. Coming off the next exit here, sitting in this old way. These mirrors are pretty good. It's not wobbling at all. That's what I was worried about. Why is that truck in this lane? Get the fuck out of the way. Right, gonna get on the right lane for a little bit of testing on the cruise control. Back on. Yep, working fine again. I'm undertaking these cars. Cruise control on at 79. It's chugging. £20, people. Go Cruse. First incarnation of it. You can get a metal one now, but why do you pay the extra bit for that? This one does the job. Up to the Bagshot now. Well, he's giving it some. Proper windy day. This is when you would like a proper decent screen or some wind protection on a naked bike. I don't know if it's coming up on the microphone, the wind.